Is one allowed to lie on their back while they're reading? If you're talking about a Jewish male is not allowed to lie on their back. Period. Could bring a person to sin, intentionally, unintentionally. If you're talking about a Jew while they're reading Torah, they shouldn't be lying down at all. They should be sitting or standing. But if they're tired and or they're reading something before they're going to sleep, they can lie down. But they shouldn't be, lying down in such a way where it's like it's inappropriate. They could sit down in their bed and read, But I've been reading for a long time. I've never really met anybody that can successfully read something meaningful while lying on their back. It's just not, unless again that's a position that they already got used to over many years because of sickness and things like that.